Hello guys! First of all, thank you so much for agreeing to work on this project. I think we're going to have a lot of fun with it. What we have here is I shared with you the requirements from BOCES for what they want us to put on the service guide cover. We are doing the front cover and the back cover. I want you to take a look at this, see what needs to be included in your thumbnails. I included for you to do 2 thumbnails. However, if you want to just give me one really good idea for your thumbnails, I'm okay with that too. What we will do is when we have our Google Meet tomorrow at 11:45, we will go over some different concepts that we have, and from there you can work on your thumbnails. Or, if you're kind of stuck, we can bounce ideas off each other. That way, you can get a little more inspiration, a little more ideas. We'll work together as a team for what you can do for your thumbnails and from what's going to go on there. What I have here also, if you go on the Orange Ulster BOCES website, you can look up our Cooperative Services Guide. This is the one that won last year. This was done by Rita Lyon, who is actually, she didn't come back to BOCES this year. However, this is one that she did last year, that one. Here's the front cover. And here's the back cover. This is something that really, it's an honor that we're able to do this. It's something that the board here at BOCES decides which one wins. So what I'll do is I will send over all of them that you guys design, and the board gets to look at them and they figure out which one they want to print and actually use. So Orange Ulster BOCES provides a lot of services other than just teaching and classrooms. We provide all of these things here. Management services, which is like all the food services at all of your schools. Career and technical education, which you know what that is, that's where we are. Special education, instructional support services, technical services, adult and continuing education, link and grant funded programs, Mid-Hudson Regional Information Center. That's like when I go and take my teacher classes. That's what this is. Cross contacts. And here's the service guide itself. So what I want you to do is take a look at all the different services that we offer to all of your different districts. And what you want to do is you want to show within your artwork that we are more than just CTEC. We are more than just special education. I want you to familiarize yourself with the other things that Orange Ulster BOCES offers here. And that has to be reflected within your artwork. So you are doing the back cover as well as the front cover, and then BOCES will provide all of the materials inside. And like I said, this is a big honor, guys, because the winning piece, it gets posted on our website and it gets mailed to all of your homeschool districts. So it's huge. It's a really big deal. This is our time to shine, and this is our time to really look good as a class. So this was what I'm putting out here for you guys. We will meet tomorrow at 11:45. If for some reason you cannot make the meeting, don't worry, you can still participate. Please do your best to make it, but if you can't, we will find time that we can discuss it together. And then Wednesday we'll meet at 11:45 again, and here's what I'm going to post, and we will discuss your thumbnails once they're posted. So I want you to have your thumbnails done Wednesday at 11:45. Have them turned into me by then. That way we can share them and discuss them together. Think about it as we're basically going to work as a team and help each other in order to build our work and be stronger. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Shoot me an email. You can also text me through Remind. And thank you again. I'll see you guys tomorrow.